Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Boa back with another video. This time, we will be showing you the resort Atlantis in Bahamas. We flew with JetBlue from JFK Airport. What I did was park my car at the JFK long-term airport parking and took the air train to the terminal. The time to get from the parking to the terminal is about 30 to 45 minutes. That time includes all the walking. You can choose to park in a lot closer to the terminal, but that costs about like $60 more. I'm cheap, so I chose to park at the cheaper long-term parking. In the past, I booked parking outside JFK parking lot, but this time, I did not want to give my car to those private parking lots. For this trip, all we need to do is fill out some online forms with our vaccination proof and buy Bahamas travel insurance. It's better to print out all those confirmation papers and bring with you on the trip. The total trip was 3 nights. Hey, what's up guys? We're back. Today we are at the Reef, Atlantis in Bahamas. And check out the room we got. It's Harbour Studio Room. Right? Harbour Studio Room. Wow! It's a nice shower. Look at the soap. I guess it's alright. Separate room for toilet, double sink. And this room has a tub. You've got one closet. Got a safe, bathrobe and slippers. That's pretty nice of them. Got extra pillows. Got a safe. That's it. It's just a closet. It's bed. Yeah, good enough. All right then. You got complimentary 4 coffee. You got a hot water machine. You got can opener. Got salt, pepper. That's very nice of them. This is very, very nice right here. You got a nice couch. I think the TV is pretty decent, right? Decent sized TV. Oh shoot, look! They have a toaster. Got a nice toaster here. And you have a refrigerator with absolutely nothing inside. Imagine that. You're traveling all the way to Bahamas to stay in the best resort in Bahamas, Atlantis. And they can't even give you a bottle of water. So you know what? What they give you? They give you empty bottle of water. See? Nothing. And they give you this bottle and then they say, okay, you can go get your own water downstairs or whatever. Like, what the hell? I mean, this place is not cheap, right? You're paying, I don't know how much is this room. How much is this room? $300? $300 for this room, and they can't even give you a bottle of water. So let's see the Harbour Studio. Never mind. Let's just check out the view. The harbor view. Oh man, it's humid today. So this, on the left side, is like factories and AC units and what the hell is these machines here? I don't know what it is, but if you ignore that and you go look in the right side, you got some view. It's not bad. So guys, if you go into Atlantis and you stay in the studio Harbour Room, this is what you're gonna get. So if you forget about how extremely cheap they are with water, I think it's not bad. A lot of space, king size bed. She likes it.
Elsa. Hi.
During the day, we scan this QR code to make our appointment for the COVID test. The testing is done at Atlantis, which we took the next following day. The whole process is seamless and very easy. Staying at the Reef property of Atlantis is boring. Most of the cool attractions and restaurants are located at the Royal property, so we have to take the shuttle to go to the Royal section. However, we soon found out that walking to other properties such as the Cove or Royal or Coral is just as fast as taking the shuttle. And actually, we enjoyed the walks rather than waiting for the shuttle. After checking in and settling our luggages in the room, we were starving for food. So we took the shuttle and headed out to the marina. The marina is a beautiful area, very clean and well kept. It's unfortunate that the places we wanted to eat was all closed, or mostly closed. So guys, I really want to eat some burgers, but it's closed on a Saturday. All the food places, well, not all of them, but a lot of the food places, even Ben and Jerry ice creams was closed. It looks like I gotta go to Starbucks, get something to eat. One of the places that was open is Murray's Deli, where it's $25 for egg sausage breakfast for one person. $25. Now, if you go with two people, that's $50 just for breakfast. The water here costs $5 a bottle, compared to the more reasonable $3.50 for a fountain soda. Just trying to relax and make the best of our brunch. So we just settled for Starbucks. A quick Starbucks brunch of 2 sandwiches and 2 drinks was $37. Basically $40. Here is the shopping area of Atlantis. This is Olive's, one of the restaurants at Atlantis that is next to the casino. This place offers a decent value and it's not that expensive. We should have ate here instead of buying food at Starbucks. This is Nobu, the Japanese restaurant. It's also next to the casino. If you're trying to impress your date with fine dining, be prepared to eat a $200 meal here. This is the iconic Atlantis chair. This is the Royal's main lobby. It's crazy nice here. There's nice decor everywhere. They even have an aquarium that's free to see. It's a good way to spend an hour. This is the outside of the Royal, very grand. This area is much better to walk around and chill than the Reef area. The Reef lobby is super small with pretty much nothing to see. However, the Reef lobby does have its own Starbucks, but I have to say that in the morning, be prepared to wait on the line for more than 30 minutes because it's packed. The reason the Reef Starbucks is so busy is because there is literally nowhere else around the Reef for you to find food. So if you don't want to waste time waiting for Starbucks, I suggest you make your own quick coffee and light breakfast in your room. I'm so freaking thirsty right now, so I gotta go search for some water to drink because I'm too cheap to buy water at the shop. You know how much it is? It's like $15 for a bottle of water at the shop. I'm so thirsty, I can't even talk right now. And then now I'm forced to go search for water before I die. So guys, let's go on an adventure and try to find some water. Let's go. This is it, guys. This is it. I finally found it. Finally, I got some water. Oh my God. You see that, guys? When was the last time you went on vacation and you paid so much money for a hotel room and you have to go up and down to get water as if you're some kind of like a village? I'm like a villager right now. I have to go to the village well and get some water. 2021. I wouldn't believe that. So guys, look what we found today. Confritter at a place called Anthony's. I put the description right here. Spicy mayo, confritter. They're so good. Best way I can say, they're like croquets. Croquets with seafood in it. Alright guys, our main has arrived. This right here is the barbecue ribs. It's called the Anthony combo. We got barbecue ribs, we got chicken tenders, we got chicken wings, barbecue chicken wings. It's good. It's smoky. Chicken tender, sauce. There you go. Look at this. This is the Anthony House Special Burger. Everything you want. Onions, tomatoes, lettuce, fried onions, mushrooms, cheese. This is what you call a real burger. Let me wash it down. So guys, if you're in the Bahamas, Atlantis, you gotta stop by Anthony's. You really gotta stop by Anthony's. Pro tip, guys. They have a toast in this room. Now I know why. Because if you're going to Atlantis, you better bring a lot of bread. Just bring bread and butter and bring everything so you can make your own food to eat. Because everything in Atlantis is super expensive. Oh, you see it? Dasani milk. You know how much this is? You know how much? $5. You know how much is all this here? 2 Diet Cokes, some snacks, 2 water. You know how much is this? $12. $12. Your boy did it. You know why? Because if you bought water in Atlantis, you know how much it is? Let me show you. This right here is $14. Look at this. $14 for this at the Atlantis shop. $12. And I don't know about you, but when I went downstairs before to drink that village water fountain water, it tastes, oh God, let me show you what it tastes like. Oh God. Oh. I can't explain to you how this water tastes like. If you drink it one time, I'm telling you, you're gonna run to the shop and get this, bottled water. And I'll tell you where I got it from. You go to Anthony's, all right? So from Anthony's, you walk in, and then you see Dunkin' Donuts, and then you just make a right. And you just make a right, and then you're gonna see a small little shop that sells all this stuff there. I don't know the name of it. I'll try to find a name, and if I find a name, I'll put it in the description right here. See? See? Your boy Boa hooked it up, you know what I'm saying? Alright guys, that's it for day 1 of Atlantis at Bahamas. Please help me out and click that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see day 2. For day 2, we will be showing the Ocean View Studio Room. As always, thanks for watching and have a nice day.